Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change file extensions in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to turn on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Just give it a moment to boot up completely before moving forward with the process. This ensures everything is ready and responsive when you start making changes. Once your PC is up and running, it's time to locate a sample file on your computer. This can be any file, whether it's a document, image, video, or anything else, because the process works exactly the same way for all file types. The method is universal across Windows 11, which makes it really convenient. After you've found the file you want to work with, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for and click on the Properties option. This opens up a detailed window that shows you various information about your selected file, including its type, size, location, and other attributes. Now, in the File Properties window that appears, you'll notice a Change option. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Windows 11 lets you modify how the file is opened and what program is associated with it. Clicking this option is crucial because it's the gateway to changing the file extension and its default behavior. After clicking Change, a prompt window will appear asking you how you want to open the file. This window displays all the compatible file types and programs that Windows 11 recognizes as suitable for opening your selected file. You'll see a list of different applications and file associations that are available on your system. Take a moment to review the options presented to you. Once you've decided which file type you want to use, select it from the list. After you make your selection, Windows 11 will automatically change the file extension of your selected file to match your choice. This means the file will now open with the new program you've chosen and will be recognized as that particular file type going forward. And that's it, you've successfully changed the file extension in Windows 11 using the built-in Properties menu. This method gives you full control over how your files are handled and which programs open them by default. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.